Let the points, name them A, B, C, D. Now we should check the which type of quadrilateral formed. Now find AB, x1 y1, x2 y2. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 0 minus now 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square 0 minus into minus plus 2 whole square. Now 1 plus 1 2 square plus 2 square. So 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4. Now this is equal to root 8. Root 8. Now we should check BC. B 1 0, C minus 1 2. Now BC is equal to x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 2 minus 0 whole square square root. Now that is equal to minus 1 minus 2 square plus 2 square. Minus 2 square means 4 plus 4. That is equal to root 8. AB, BC, AB, BC, next CD. C minus 1 to D minus 3 comma 0. Now CD is equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to minus 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 whole square, minus 2 square is 4. So this is minus 2 square means 4 plus 4. That is equal to root 8. So AB find out chesam, BC and CD. Now we check for AD. Now next DA. D minus 3 comma 0, A minus 1 comma minus 2. DA is equal to x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus 2 minus 0 whole square square root minus 1 minus into minus plus 3 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 square minus 2 square is 4. So 2 square is 4 plus 4. That is equal to root 8. So all sides మనం చెక్ చేసాం AB, BC, CD and DA. Now AB as AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. DA is equal to root 8. Now we check the diagonals because square we have to check diagonals also. Now diagonal is AC. We check AC and BD. Now A minus 1, minus 2, C, minus 1, 2. Now AC is equal to x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. So minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square root. Now minus 1 0. 2 plus 2 4 square root for there. You get AC is equal to 4. Now we check another diagonal BD. B 1 0 D minus 3 0. Again BD is equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 means 0. So we should write 0 minus 0 whole square. Right. Now minus 3 minus 1 means minus 4 whole square. That is equal to minus square means 4 square. That is equal to 4. Therefore, all sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Therefore, it is a square. అలాగే వన్ స్మాల్ రిమైండర్ అండి, ఫిఫ్త్ సమ్లో కూడాను మనం డయాగ్నల్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయలేదు. ఏసీబీడీని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే అవి కూడా ఈక్వల్గా వస్తాయి, మనం గమనించవచ్చు. ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్ బిఫోర్ సమ్. లెట్ us name them as A, B, C and D. Now, what is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Now find out AB. AB is equal to x2 3 minus of minus 3. So 3 minus 3 whole square. సో మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా బెస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే వీటికి x1 y1 x2 y2 రాసుకోండి, అప్పుడు దాన్ని ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. ప్లస్ y2 1 minus 5 1 minus 5 that is equal to 3 minus of minus 3, that means 3 plus 3 whole square 1 minus 5 minus 4 whole square. 3 plus 3 6 square plus 4 square is 16. So 6 square is 36. 36 plus 16 equal to root 52. Root 52, we can write root 52 as 4. 52 is equal to 4 into 13. So root 4 means 2 root 13. So that is equal to 2 root 13. That is AB. Now BC is equal to x2 minus x1. That means 0 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus 1 whole square. That is equal to 0 minus 3 minus 3 square, 3 minus 1 2 square. Minus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. That is equal to root 13. AB, okay na? BC. Now CD. CD is equal to x2 minus x1. That means minus 1 minus 0 whole square. Y2 minus y1. 4 minus 3 whole square. That is equal to minus 1 minus 0, minus 1. 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. So this is equal to root 2. CD. Now, DA. DA is equal to A means this is x2 minus x1. So, minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. 5 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to minus 3 minus 1. Minus into minus plus and whole square plus 5 minus 4 square. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 square plus 1. Minus 2 square is 4 plus 1. That is equal to root 5. Now AB, BC, CD. Now we will check diagonals AC and AC, AC and next BD. AC, x2 minus x1 whole square. 0 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 3 minus 5 whole square under root. 0 minus of minus 3 means 0 plus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. That is equal to 3 square minus 2 square is 4. So now 3 square is 9. 9 plus 4, that is equal to root 13. Now AC is one diagonal, another diagonal is BD. BD is equal to B and D. Now x2, this is x2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus y2 4 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 square 4 minus 1 3 square minus 4 square is minus square means 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9, that is root 25. That is equal to 5. From this we can observe that BC plus AC, BC plus AC, BC how much? Root 13, AC root 13 is equal to root 13 plus root 13, 2 root 13 is equal to AB. AB. So you see common. So BC plus AC is equal to AB means, what does it mean? That means they are ABC lie on same line. Then only suppose, let us suppose B, C, A. Then only BC plus CA is equal to AB లేదా B. So they cannot form, and they are collinear. ABC are in same line means they are collinear. So they cannot form quadrilateral. Quadrilateral ne form చేయవు. So ABCD is not a quadrilateral. ABCD is not a quadrilateral. Name them as A, B, C, D. Now AB. So first write formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now AB is equal to x2 minus x1 7 minus 4 whole square y2 minus y1